my name is Princess Prisha. Welcome to my show. As you can see, I'm at my friend's house. Happy Halloween! Let's go inside and meet our friend. He's so shy. Hello, Abby. Welcome to my show.
Thank you. Welcome to our house.
Hi, Abby.
Hi, Prisha.
Hi. Are you ready to make pretzel spiderwebs?
Yes.
So to make pretzel spiderwebs, we need pretzels, sprinkles, white and brown chocolate. Spiderwebs, we need some pretzels first.
You want to arrange your pretzels in a circle?
So make them into a circle.
Okay. Here you go. You want more? How big do you want your spider web to be?
I can go to big. So after our pretzels are arranged like this, you take your middle like this. And then you take the white and you make circles around them. Next, we're gonna sprinkle. Let's go, Avi. No. Freeze this for 10 to 15 minutes. Our spider webs are ready. Avi, how do you like them? Are they good? Please like and subscribe. Bye.